Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, presses, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, CNC machines, lasers, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a very nice press. This is a Sutherland 200-ton 4-post press. You got your post here, big bolster plate, it's 39 by 59. You've got a cushion underneath right here. Here's your stroke setting. Your stroke setting for your huge stroke right here. I believe it's about 48 inches. We're going to go ahead and run this machine. We'll run it first in single, and then we can put it in continuous. You can see how nice and smooth everything runs. It's all original paint, very clean machine, and it's all ready to go. It's got a nice dual palm station right here. You'll notice it's got a quick approach, and it's going to have a slow forming and a quick retreat. That's going to help in your production. And you can set all those right there on the side. I'll show you in just a little bit where you set those limit switches, and you can go ahead and have it start each position as it moves down the line. You can see a very long stroke. Cylinder is in beautiful condition. But right now we have it set on the maximum of everything, so you can see the complete stroke of the complete movement. You can notice now it's going quicker on the way back up. We'll go ahead and do that again. It's made in Taiwan. Sutherland's a great manufacturer. They're known for very heavy-duty machines. You can see it's very well taken care of over here. So there's our complete stroke. You can see all the different 3 speeds. Now I'm going to go ahead and set it to continuous. Right around the back here. Set into continuous mode. We're at our top stop. We're going to start our cycle, hold it down. Now I'll show you the limit switches on here as soon as we have it in continuous mode. You'll be able to see how it starts and stops on each position, why it's slowed for that next 20 inches or so. Once it gets down to the bottom, then it'll start to finish its cycle. All right, let's take a look here. Now you can see the limit switches. We have our upper limit. That's your second limit. That's where it's going to push it into the forming speed and down to where it's just about to hit the bottom limit. Go ahead and move that limit down. You'll see it's much quicker till it hits to it. There you go. Second speed. And then quick retract. And you notice down here, this is the same stroke type system. You set up your upper limit, and that's going to be for your cushion down at the bottom for forming. This is all the pressure gauges for it. Here's your area where you change your switch. You have a nice linear ruler right there. You can see it. Again, take a look at the cylinders. Very clean machine. have a pit, this machine. Here's all your controls. Here's your inch, single, and continuous. You do have a stroke counter, oil temperature gauge, and your pressure time. See the top. Again, all very well taken care of. Original paint, maintained on a normal basis. And we'll stop the cycle as soon as we get to the top here. And there you go. Very, very nice machine, ready to go. Give us a call if this is what you're looking for. If you need something larger or smaller, if you have something to trade in, we'd love to help you out in any way we can. 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options, as well as our complete inventory and videos at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.